So here we have the rockers in the 1971 Alfa Spider. We've got a repair you can see that's been done here. There's a new inner and outer rocker welded in. A little bit of rust at the edges of the paint, but nothing too bad through here. This was all cut out and re-welded in. As far as the floor patches go, there's a little bit of a indent and a patch here around the jacking point. And then on the other side, you've got a patch that was done. There's an edge of a patch right here. A patch that was done with the floor. We'll go ahead and look at that on the top side. We'll look at the rocker again on this side. They use some aluminum instead of the factory plugs. There's some seam sealer and aluminum panels here to cover the drain holes. Again, you can see where the inner and outer rocker were welded in here on this side as well. Then we'll go ahead and look in the car under the carpets as well. Here on the driver's side, lift up the carpet, you can see the seam. There's an overlap seam there where they sectioned a piece in that kind of curves up. That wasn't an actual floor, panel that was bought. That was just a piece that they formed up, which is why it's kind of crinkly, not shaped the best. But you can see the overlap where it was welded in. Everything behind that is the factory floor. In front of that overlap seam is the patch. We'll go ahead and switch over to the passenger side. Over here you can see the same thing. There's a seam here. Everything in front of that has been patched. Everything back of that is factory still. Even has the sound deadening on it still on this side. So basically the two front sections of floor were patched with just sheet metal panels, and then the rockers were all, the inners and outer rockers were all replaced with new parts.